We moved into this facility in 2021. Our ceiling went from 15 feet to 30 feet. And we were used to building tall machines, but realized we're going to build taller machines. I started looking at fall protection as being necessary to continue operation in a safe manner.
Sometimes we'll be up high depending on the machine size. We weld, we make piping, we make supports, fixtures, 15, 18 feet in the air.
Better Engineering is a manufacturing company of industrial cleaning machines. We employ about 90 individuals, and we service the food industry, the paper industry, metal industry, automotive industry, in making customized machines to clean parts.
Before we had the Tether Track, we had to look for and search for ways to be safe.
We all wanted good, readily available fall protection. We never really had that option before. Once we got that installed, I think we were all kind of excited to use it.
We covered all the manufacturing floor space correctly with fall protection. 3 separate rails about 150 to 160 feet long.
Having it there, the guys notice it. When they see it there, they use it.
It's convenient, it's quick, it's easy to put on. It makes you feel safe. I mean, that's, the main purpose for it.
The thing that's most interesting to me about the Tether Track system is that you can use it across the whole shop. You don't have to be isolated to one area. So basically it covers our entire floor.
This makes it able for me to climb up the ladder once, walk to where I'm working, walk back, and then climb down. I don't have to sit there and reposition my ladder every 5 seconds. When we save time going up and down ladders, definitely production goes up.
We also added a section for our shipping department. That's another place where we identified use of a lot of ladders. And then we had aisle space and another manufacturing space that I decided to cover that space with fall protection. 3 different rails we have extended an additional 30 feet each to allow for future expansion. Here at this facility, every day I see people using the fall protection, and they've recognized the value and the safety of having it. So it's not hard to have people do it the right way.
I know there's a weight capacity, but being a bigger guy, I feel perfectly fine. Feels really structurally safe. So taking 5-10 minutes out of your day to tether yourself up rather than being out of work for a month or two because you got hurt is worth it.